Hi guys, it's already 2 p.m. Ngayon lang ako nakastart ng vlog kasi busy kami kanina. Meron kaming order ng biryani. So, ngayon, ang aming plano, punta kami sa Gaisano Mall. Kasi nga, kakalipat lang natin ang bahay kahapon. So, may mga kailangan kaming bilhin. Kain muna kami guys dito sa SNR. Ayan. This is pepperoni. Ryan, yours pepperoni.
Prawn?
Yeah, prawn.
Prawn is rolling.
Daddy. Still sleeping, Maui. Their pizza is so big.
Yeah, it's my first time. I got medium don't have like slice.
Yeah.
Or pizza big.
Yeah.
Whereas like pizza big is the whole thing.
It's not much also, Daddy. Their pizza is not much. The big one is 600 something.
Ah.
Yeah. This is 100 plus only, this one.
Like this for you, cheese and
99 lang na. Magsimula na tayo. Okay. There are a lot of options there also. We can check. Yeah. Like what we have in India. For kitchen? This one? Okay. Hold this down. Is it big enough? For the dishes sa labas guys, ilalagay.
Okay?
Palanggana. This one also?
What is this one?
That one only? Okay, it's up to you. That one is for kids, Daddy.
6,000.
Huh? Same price as the one we bought yesterday. Oh, this is the one we bought yesterday, the same.
Same price.
Yeah.
The very good.
Yeah,
So exactly same brand.
exactly same.
Is it one level up?
This one good, right? We'll take this one. Lipat namin sa kitchen. Mommy! Hello! Just woke up! That's your sword? Oh my god, it looks so funny. Huh? Dito naman kami sa stove, guys. We saw something in SM Lanang, Daddy. I think similar to this, right? In SM. What is this? Smaller one. Seems different. Oh, ang mahal naman. This one also. Oh, 3.6, Daddy, oh.
Fit there.
Ha?
Fit there.
So, pa-adjustan lang. Learn how to do it, Daddy, so you can adjust the flame. Ito yung mga pinamili namin, guys. Ang dami. Kadali ng sakyan. Meron pa kay ate doon. So, this is the situation right now, guys. Walang electricity. How many minutes already, Daddy? Half an hour already. Ayan. Oh. Oh, nire-repair ng ano, Davao Light. nakita namin sila. Paano tayo makapag shopping haul nito? Maui Maui! First power cut in Philippines! Si Daddy Ram, hindi na makatiis. Oh, di ba? Yung binili namin na lutuan, inassemble na niya. And nag-assemble siya nung binili naming mega box. And then, te, tanaw te.
Oh, you want to see this side?
But our Blue tea is very useful. Kasi may electric fan kami, may internet kami, and meron kaming chargers. Di ba?
We have a one bulb light, no?
Yes. Bongga, buti na lang. Kahit wala kaming inverter. Thank you, sponsored by Blue tea. Ay, nako. At least hindi masyadong mainit. Sa India, hindi kami masyadong nakaka-experience ng power cut. Then sa condo din. Ngayon, this is the reality, Daddy Ram.
Here and come like this.
Yes. And Maui is really enjoying the situation.
So many things to play. That's why.
Wala mang kuryente. Basta may Wi-Fi. Ang raya. Mamaya na tayo mag-shopping haul. Pag may natira pa at bumalik na ang kuryente. Almost done na mag-assemble si Daddy Ram sa isa. Then another one. Piling palit si Ram og wire te para tunog niya sa gawas. Ay, ayan. I bought this for you, Daddy. The chair. For your gardening era.
Oh, thank you.
Is this solid enough?
Yeah, no. It's good start.
Meron pa kaming martilyo. This is for what, Daddy?
In a wall, you know, when you put a hole.
This one, ate, what?
Wanted to fix the what's the problem?
Doorknobs. Halos lahat sa ano na namin guys, na-arrange na guys. Kasi until now, wala pa rin tayong kuryente. Pawis na ang ating Daddy Ram. Mag-order sana kami ng food. Kaya lang, temporarily not available. Ang daming drama. Oh, see, that's the very least.
That's what I say. Have fun, enjoy.
Ang sitwasyon ngayon, it's like 1 hour already, Daddy.
More than 1 hour.
Almost 2 hours na walang kuryente. Ating dinner habang brown out, guys. Egg curry. Ito ito para sa mga bata. Your job's really baby.
Yeah.
Food almost done. Don't
Ready?
worry, almost ready.
Hungry, come on. Yes.
Current situation. Life update. How many hours already, Daddy? 4 hours. Right?
What else?
Everyone is here in front of the electric fan. At least we have electric fan. Our Bluey is surviving 50% still. So we have another 4 hours to use it. It's already 10 o'clock, guys. Alas 10 na.
We can stay here for 4 hours.
What time is it?
10.
10?
What just happened? Huh?
I saw the neighbors. They have like
At last! Very smart, Ryan. We didn't even notice. Oh my God!
Everybody's lights on.
see that's I was like oh, what? I have lights then I said there's lights.
Very smart, very smart. Lakas ng ulan kanina. Buti at tumigil na. Uy, careful, both of you. Sige, laro pa. Walang katapusang paglilinis, guys. Natapos din. Oh, di ba? Yung mga gamit natin kanina, yung mga pinamili natin, ayan na, oh. Wala na. Na-fix na namin lahat. Habang walang kuryente, nagawa namin yun. Done.
See the screwdriver?
Yeah.
Done, check.
The kids playing outside.
Check me.
We need
Light there.
light there, Daddy. Can you check if there's a plug?
No, but let me check again. I check earlier.
Yeah, because it's nice if there's light there, we can sit outside. Makakapagpahinga na din, guys. Nakapag-freshen up na ako. Kahit mukhang haggard pa rin sa pagod. Si Ryan, ayan, nakatulog na. Si Daddy Ram nasa labas pa rin. Hindi ko alam kung ano naman ang pinagagawa niya. Grabe talaga si Daddy Ram, guys. Anong oras na? Andun pa rin sa living room. Very hectic ang araw na ito para sa amin kasi nga, 'di ba, first day talaga natin dito na nagstay sa bagong bahay. May order pa talaga kami ng biryani. Ilang days na nagsabi yung subscriber namin na gusto niyang umorder, pero alangan nga ako kasi alam ko na magiging busy kami. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Ram, medyo malaki-laking order to. Kaya mo ba? Sabi niya, kaya na daw. So, okay, in-accept ko. That was few days back. And then, sabi ko sa kanya, i-confirm ko yung order mo Saturday. So, actually guys, busy namin, hindi ko na naalala na i-confirm sa kanya. Siya yung nag-message sa akin, tapos nag-send siya ng pera na agad-agad ng bayan. Kaya na-remind ako na tama pala, may order pala bukas. Buti naman lahat ng ingredients, lahat ng kailangan, naka-marinate na din yung chicken para sa biryani. So ready talaga si Daddy Ram. Then, ang mali ko, akala ko, kasi usually ang orders namin is before lunch or before dinner. Then akala ko, yung gusto niya before lunch. Hindi ko nabasa ng maigi yung message sa akin. Sabi niya pala 9 a.m. My God. Mga 8 o'clock ata kaming nagising or 8:30. Then nabasa ko yung message niya na kung malapit na kayo sa meet-up place natin, mag-message ka lang. Tapos na-review ko yung message namin. Oh my God, alas 9 pala yung usapan. So sabi ko sa kanya, Ma'am, pasensya na talaga. Naglipat kami ng bahay. Akala ko before lunch yung order nyo. 9 a.m. pala. Hindi namang i-cancel ang order. Ibabalik ko na lang yung pera nyo via GCash. Pero ang bait ni ate talaga. Salamat eh. Sabi niya okay lang, walang problema. So ayun, mga 11:30, 12 o'clock na namin na-deliver yung chicken dum biryani nila. And okay naman. Ay, naku, minsan talaga sa negosyo may mga ganyan, guys. Huwag na lang mabait yung customer kung hindi. Bak nasabon na ako. Tapos, yun nga, after that, kailangan na namin mamili ng mga gamit para sa bahay, di ba? Kasi ang hirap makagalaw ng kulang-kulang ang gamit. And then, yun nga, pagkatapos nating mamili, napakaswerte. Nag-brown out ng ilang oras, mga 5 oras. Alas 5, alas 6 kami nakabalik ng bahay. From that time, brown out hanggang 11, 11:30. Ay, I cannot imagine yung struggle. Kasi nasanay kami sa India na meron kaming backup generator doon sa aming tinitirhang apartment. Tapos, doon sa condo naman, baka may hindi ko lang alam kung may backup generator sila doon. Pero, napakabihira ding mag-brown out. Tapos, ito pa ang nangyari sa ating first day sa normal na bahay. Sabi ni Ryan, it's my first time na ma-experience daw ang ganito na napakatagal ng power cut, ng brown out. So, talaga nanibago siya. And buti na lang, guys. Yun nga, may Bluety kami na power station. So, it really lasted so long. And very helpful siya kahit na pagsaksak lang naman ng mga chargers para sa phones. Sa electric pa, napaka-importante. Kung hindi, Diyos ko, ang init-init. Very humid pa kasi umuulan. Parang sa ibang part ng Davao, bumabaha na naman kasi walang tigil ang ulan. Tsaka malakas pa. So, ayun. Tapos, after that, after pa ng power cut, nawalan pa ng tubig. Siguro dahil sa power cut, nawalan na din ng tubig. Hindi din namin alam, guys. Disaster ang ating first day. Ang dami naming na-experience na hindi kami sanay. Pero, ganun talaga, di ba? Parte ng buhay. Ganyan naman talaga. Mag-adjust tayo. We'll get used to it. Kasi ito na talaga yung titirhan natin ng pangmatagalan. Hopefully. Baka magbago na naman ang isip. Balik na tayo ng condor. Ibang bahay na naman. Alam nyo naman ako. Pero talaga, we'll see hopefully na magtagal na tayo dito. Super swerte ako kay Daddy Ram din, guys. Kasi napakasipag, grabe. Walang tigil ang kanyang pag-aayos. Gusto niya kasi organize lahat. Dapat makakilos na siya ng maayos. Lalo na yung lutuan. Kasi nga, this morning, medyo nahirapan siyang magluto ng kanyang biryani kasi hindi niya ma-adjust yung flame. Masyadong high yung apoy. Baka daw masunog yung chicken. So, yun din isang struggle ni Daddy Ram. Kaya bumili kami agad nung bagong stove. So, ayun guys. Yun lang ang ating storya ngayong araw. Hopefully, we will have a better day tomorrow. Maraming salamat sa panonood and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!